Yeah, hello fans, I welcome you all to this YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So today I'm going to teach you this popular Ariaria song breakdown. Okay, I'm going to be doing this tutorial on F sharp, but I'm going to call out all the notes of what I'm playing so that for those that are not familiar with F sharp, they can be able to learn also and apply it to their key. Okay, so you just watch and learn. So this is just very simple. So I'm just doing this my own freestyle of how I can play it, like my lead and my bass. How I can split it with, there are sometimes there is no basis, so you'll be confused on how to play this kind of song. So there is a way you can still play, like I just did now. So that's what I'm going to teach you. So on your ma. First of all, you need to know the progression. On your ma. So, like what I did there now. On your ma, fa. Then on your ma, so on your ma. Enter my mi, then you go to la. On your ma, then re. On your ma, so on your ma. You get? So that is just the progression I know. That I feel that is how I can play it. So, first thing I did there. So, since there's no leadies and there's no other keyboardists that can be giving you some flows, so you have to be fooling your chord like this lead line. Something like this line. So mi so do mi so la ta la so mi fa. So you have to be very fast. Okay, mi so do mi so la ta la so mi fa la re. Let me take it slowly. Mi so do mi so la ta la so mi fa la re. Then mi fa la re fa re so ti re mi so do mi so la ta la. You see? Mi so do mi so la ta la so mi fa la fa re. Understand? That's it. So, oh chimle. Then you go to your re. Then now, once you go to the oh chimle, re. Then re fa la re, do. Re so ti mi so la ti, sorry. Re fa la re, do. Re so ti mi so la ti. mi, sol, la, ti, then mi, la, do, mi. So I might be somehow confusing. So, but if you're pausing the video, at least if you're watching it, just be pausing, you get what I'm doing. Okay? Re, fa, la, re, do, re, sol, ti, re, ti, mi, sol, la, ti. Then you go to your la now, then la, do, mi, la, do, mi, la, do, mi, re, fa, la. Stop like this now. Oh, chimle, chimle, chimle. Just playing then re, then so, then I go to my mi, then I go to my la, I go back to my re. So that is how I want to play it. Everyone has their own way of playing it, so I'm just teaching you how I can play mine. Okay? Oh, chimle, 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 chimle. You get? So, re, fa, la, re, do, re, sol, ti, re, ti, mi, sol, ti, mi, sol, la, ti, then mi, la, do, mi, do, re, fa. Then you go back to the first one. You get? That's just what you play there. Then you can play. Get? This one is very simple. Ta la so mi fa re do, ti la so re mi do so. Ta la so mi fa re do, ti la so mi so do so. Okay, that one is simple. Chimle, chimle, chimo go. So this one, you know, ladies, you'll just be playing different things. So that's what you're doing here. Mi, so, fa, mi, do, re. So, do, mi, so, fa, mi, do, re. Then, fa, la, re, do, so, ti, re, so, fa, do, mi, so, fa, mi, do, re. So, that's one, that's it. So bass, what you can play on your left now, eh? So as you are doing it, so what you can actually play on your left, you can just do up something like this. So do so la mi, la la, do so la la, la mi la re, do so la la mi la re, do so re so, do so la mi la re, do so re so, do. You get do so la mi la re, do. Something like this. Another one. So there are so many bass lines you can apply for that song. Yeah. So this one just straight. So do so re so re so. So this one, do, la la la, so. So this is just very simple, like I said. So any song you want me to do a breakdown on, you just comment the song below. I'm going to try my possible best to do it. So on my next video, we're going to be doing tutorial for beginners. We're going to be starting at frets. For those that don't even know how to play keyboard at all, you just join this channel, okay? So from next tutorial, I'm going to do a beginner tutorial now to teach you guys from scratch. Okay, so thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. God bless you.